While providing a good education, NCISD goes the extra step with the CTE program, or Career Technical Education. There are currently 15 CTE programs at New Caney schools. This one is burning brighter every day.
They are a different kind of person, the guys that want to come in and work with metal. They want to be a hands-on operation and try to learn from doing instead of reading. When you get into this farm and machinery equipment, you learn to fix things on the fly.
On this project, a farmer wants to turn his old boat trailer into something that he can use to haul supplies around the farm. That's no problem for this class.
You may have to find something and improvise, and that's basically what we teach these guys, to put something together that's functional, that will work on an everyday opportunity, that you can fix in the field instead of trying to go buy brand new stuff.
After measuring and cutting a new bed, the next class will do the final work, giving the farmer a good working trailer for very little money.
Let's get things fixed with the materials we have, cut down costs, and make it a little more efficient for everyday life.
For Bridges and the other ag teachers, it's not just a job to give kids grades. It's about making a student appreciate their own talents and continue learning throughout life.